Hello everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Motorola Edge 50 Ultra camera test after 1 year. Right now, the smartphone running Android 50. The phone comes with the triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main sensor, 64 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom and 50 megapixel ultra wide, and the front is come with 50 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone main camera and selfie camera you can record high 4K 60 fps video, and you also record 1080p 30 60 120 fps 240 fps and 960 fps slow-mo video with HDR10 plus supported and EIS. Now I am recording 4K 60 fps video, so overall the camera quality is good. Now talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a great pictures. All the image color correction, dynamicness and sharpness are very good, and as you can see that the camera quality are not bad. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about the camera quality. Now let's talk about the ultra wide. 50 megapixel ultra wide also take a great pictures has main camera. All the image color are so accurate and also very detailsful. Overall you can get a balanced picture. Now talk about the portrait mode. Portrait mode you can get a 4 option. This smartphone portrait pictures also very good. We are taking a great pictures with the portrait mode, and let me know in the comment section below what you think about this smartphone portrait pictures. Now let's talk about the night photography. Night photography experience also very good. If you have a good lighting condition, you can take a great pictures. All the image color are so accurate and also very good details. By the way, very soon this smartphone long time full review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. And as you can see that the camera quality are very good. So if you're looking for a budget friendly camera phone, Motorola Edge 50 Ultra is the best choice for you. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra camera quality. Okay, that is all about our short camera review after 1 year. So let me know in the comment what you think. Okay, that's pretty much for today video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.